Yeah, so return to this movie blurb idea, right? So, yeah, just a few sentences, okay? And try to write it, like I say here in 2.1. Imagine that the speed research reading you did on the text was the equivalent of watching a film or reading a bestseller. What kind of pitch, blurb, trailer would you make in order to persuade people to read the text? And that's what movie reviewers do. That's what book reviewers do, right? They're in a very pithy, condensed type way. They try to really, get you to read the text, right? And even if it's a text that, the reviewer doesn't really like or doesn't think will do well, right? It's their job to try to get people to see the text in a way that they will want to read it or will want to see it, right? So that's what 2.2 sort of is getting at, right? That you're trying to make an argument for the text, um, and when you do a pitch or a blurb trailer, you're getting into the realm of advertisement. You're getting into a creative realm. And so there you can start to, recontextualize the text. You can start to say, well, I know it's most people think of this text in a certain way, but, I think it would be better to understand the text or the film this way, in a different way, right? So you're trying to get people to see the text in a different way and then read it in a different way, or see the text in a certain way and then read it that way. So you're making an argument through a blurb type pitch. Okay, so that's the idea there. Give it a shot. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it's the type of writing that we do in this class. It's creative writing, and it's also aphoristic writing in the sense that it's small amounts of writing that contain a lot. And then these are the texts here, just to remind you, okay, that you're picking from. So Nietzsche's Zarathustra, we start that in the third week, our first primary text, 2 weeks of that. Then we turn to Darwin, Origin of Species, and then Butler, Bloodchild. So what I've given here, the PDF here, is it's a series of short stories, or it's a collection of short stories. So these are two of the ones that we often read. Beckett, Waiting for Godot, Anzaldúa, Borderlands, Marx Capital, Volume 1, and Du Bois, Souls of Black Folk. So you can click on these and take a quick look at them, okay, and see what's going on there, okay, and see what you can do with a quick read.